Well, hi, I'm Carl and welcome to Adventures in Camping. Today we're going to talk about making a coal shovel for my Dutch oven cooking. It also is handy for other cooking in your campfire. Let's get to it. Oh, and by the way, like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you know when I put out a new video. And you're welcome to share these videos. This was in bad shape, so I cleaned it up. Next, we want to determine where we want to put our holes. If you want to, you can measure out where you want the holes and how many holes you want. I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to use the one that I've already made to determine where my holes need to be. Does not have to be perfect, does not have to be exact. Like I said before, you're going to want to center punch where you want to put the holes. I'm going to move this over a little bit because I don't like where that is. All right. Trying to drill through high carbon steel is like trying to convince a teenager out of a bad idea. We're going to try something a little different this time. I've never used this style of hole saw, and we're going to give it a shot. It's got a nice little spring and a bit just waiting to be abused. Yes, it does have a flat. You want to line up the flat with the set screw. Chuck her in the hole. You notice this has got 3 very pronounced flats, so it goes into the chuck of the drill press. All right, let's do another one. Let's give it a little bit of lubrication here. Try not to spray the camera. I'm not putting a lot of pressure on this. I'm kind of letting it do its own thing. Well, how do you do? Look at that. Let's do the last hole. I will add a link in the description box for this bit. Everything else I tried was a nightmare, and this is just cutting right on through. That's it. Well, there we go. I hope this helped you out a lot. You can do this yourself. I also think that that drill bit would work in a hand drill as well as it did. Might want to give it a try. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Well, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you know when I put out a new video. And you're welcome to share these videos, as I've said before. Y'all come back now. You hear?